Hello everyone, I'm Rehan Pratama Jakarta from Informatic class. Today I will present material about question word, and this is the material. Question word or WH question are interrogative syllabus used to form question in English. WH question are commonly called 5W 1H in Indonesian. They help us obtain the information we need in cooperation of writing. For example, the word what is used to ask about something that doesn't have a specific shape or characteristic. It can refer to object, thing, action, or abstract concept. Example stands, what is your hobbies? This question seeks to find out someone's favorite hobbies. And two, what time is it? This asks about the current time. And three, what did you eat for breakfast? This question want to know what someone ate for breakfast. Question words are divided into the following categories: who, what, when, where, why, and of course how. These are the 5W 1H that we know. However, there are other that are rarely used. English. English doesn't just consist of the 5W and 1H. Besides those mentioned above, there are additional words, which, was, and warm. The explanation and material below. 5W, 5W, and 1H. Number one, what? What is a question word in English used to ask about project activities or concepts that occur or are involved in a particular event, activity, or context. Its function is to obtain information about a particular object, activity, or concept in a conversation or situation. Example, number one, what is your favorite food? Number two, what is the capital of Indonesia? Number three, what are your hobbies? Number four, what is the purpose of the seminar? Number two, when. When is an English question word used to ask about the time or period in which an event occurred. Its function is to obtain information about a specific time or period in a conversation or situation, and to help us understand the sequence or schedule of events. For the example, number one, when did you arrive in Bandung? Number two, when is your birthday? Number three, when was the last time you went to the mountain? Number four, when is your flight to Bali? And number three, where? Where is a question word used to ask about the location or place where an event occurred in a conversation or situation. Example, number one, where did you find this plantation? Number two, where are you going for lunch today? Number three, where can I buy ticket for the concert? Number four, where does your brother live? Number four, who. Who is a question word to use to ask about the identity of a person, of group, of people involved in particular event, activity, or context. Who helps us identify the relevant person of subject in a context. For the example, number one, who is he? Number two, who is your best friend? Number three, who is the president of the company? Number four, who sing this song? And number five, why? Why this word is used to ask about the reason behind an event, action, occurrence, or situation. So when we want to know why something happened or why someone did something, we can ask why. For the example, number one, what? Why are you crying? Number two, why did she quit her job? Number three, why did you buy that car? Number four, why are you late? And the next one H, how. How is a question word used to ask about the method or process of how an event or action is carried out. Its function is to obtain information about the method or procedure involved in a situation or activity. For the example, number one, how do you solve this science problem? Number two, how do you operate this machine? Number three, how can I access my email from a different device? Number four, how did you build the house? Number five, how did you get to the station? For the next which is a question word in English that help you choose between several options. Its function is to ask for information about a particular course from a number of available options to help us in making decision of or to identify a specific object or person in a particular situation or context. Example, number one, which color do you prefer, red or blue? Number two, which movie did you watch last night? Number four, which language do you want to learn next? Number four, which team won the championship last year? For the next, warm. Warm is a question word used to ask about the person who is the object in a sentence. Warm helps us determine the relationship between the subject and object in a sentence. For the example, number one, to whom did you give the present? Number two, whom are you waiting for? Number three, whom did you see at the movie theater? Number four, whom should ask for help? For the next, whose in a question word in English, which is used to ask about ownership or who owns a particular object or thing. For the example, number one, whose book is this? Number two, whose car is parking outside? Number three, whose phone rang during the meeting? Number four, whose bag is lying on the table? Number five, whose child is crying in the playground? Number six, whose name did you write on the paper? For the next, WH question with auxiliary verb. These are question formula with auxiliary verb. WH plus auxiliary verb to be, do, or have, plus subject plus main verb. For the example, where are you living? Where do they live? What have they decided? WH question with modal verbs. Modal verbs include can, could, will, was, shall, should, might, and must. Here's the formula. WH plus modal verbs plus subject plus main verb. For the example, who will he live with? What shall I do? Why should we read books? Question sentence without auxiliary or modal verb. This formula shows that the WH sentence itself has replaced the subject. The formula is WH plus main verb. For the example, who won the game? Was born the rank? And who bought this? Negative WH question. The example of H type of WH question above are positive. Of course, interrogative sentence can also be negative. When asking negative WH question, we can use the auxiliary verb do. When there is no other auxiliary verb or no modal verb, see the example below. Example negative WH question. Auxiliary. Auxiliary verb do. Who want an ice cream? Which door opener? Auxiliary verb do. Who doesn't want ice cream? Which door is open? Thank you for the material presentation. See you.